This is a brand new 2013 Nissan Altima. This four-door sedan has a continuously variable transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a rear-view camera, heated seats, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, heater vents for rear-seated passengers, cruise control, leather seats, performance tires, a passenger side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, rear impact crumple zones, heated side view mirrors, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.